Hi guys, I hope you are fine. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do this lion puppet. First, you're gonna need color papers, whatever you have, scissors, glue, marker pens, and wool. In my case, I choose 2 yellow papers for the body and the face and 1 orange for the hair. First, draw a circle in the paper that you choose for the face of the puppet. Then, in the paper that you choose for the body of the puppet, draw a line and cut the paper. Then, cut the face of the puppet. Roll the rectangle paper around your finger. And stick the end of the paper with glue. If the paper doesn't stick, put your fingers in the paper and make this movement. On the circle, draw the face of the puppet. Color the details of the face. And on the paper that you choose for the hair, draw the hair of the lion and cut the paper. And stick the face with the hair. Now stick the head with the body. And you're finished! Put your finger in the puppet, put a name to the puppet, and play with him or her. Bye, see you around!